Welcome to our video on Python data types. In this short video, we will explain the fundamental data types in Python and provide real-life examples to help you understand them. Firstly, let's talk about integers, a data type that stores whole numbers. For example, your age or the number of apples in a basket could be stored as an integer in Python. Next, we have floating point numbers, a data type for decimal numbers, such as your weight or height. Python uses these to handle non-whole numeric values. Strings are another common data type. They are used for storing text and can include letters, numbers, and symbols. If you need to store words or phrases, such as your name or address, Python string data type is the way to go. Booleans, on the other hand, are data types that only have two possible values, true or false. Python uses these data types for logical operations. If you ever play video games, it's like having an on/off switch. Lastly, Python also has data types called lists, tuples, and dictionaries. These are used to store multiple data types as a group, such as inventory, for example. A list is an order collection, a tuple is a non-order collection, and a dictionary is almost like a phone book, with keys and values. To wrap it up, we hope that this video has helped you understand Python data types with ease. By providing real-life examples, we hope that you can imagine the different types of data you might encounter in your own projects. Thank you for watching, and we appreciate your support. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive updates on our latest content.